what I usually do around a sample here on Ableton Live, I try to make sure that the sample is perfectly on time, like it's perfect. The kick kicks perfectly, and so the sample will be perfect in the beat. I don't want the sample to be offbeat, because even though I will use, you will see later in the course, obviously heavy sidechain on it. I want to make sure that all the beats are timed perfectly beforehand. So I'm using this to make sure everything is perfect. Here you can tell there's something wrong. Fine, and here the loop is done. Here the audio is a bit weird, but that's gonna be perfect, working perfect with the sidechain is not a big deal. So the loop is here,